Hello everyone, welcome to today's lecture video. In this video, we are going to see um, organizing principles of paragraphs in documents. Okay, um, organizing paragraph is a very important thing in writing skills. Before organize, we look into what is how to organize paragraphs. Let's have an idea about what is a paragraph. A paragraph is a collection of sentences which all relate to one another, okay, which all relate to one main idea or one main topic in a single paragraph. An effective paragraph have four main characteristics, okay, a topic sentence, unity, coherence, and adequate development of the topic. Okay, so what is a paragraph? A paragraph um, is a collection of sentences. They all talk about only one main point. Now, how to organize paragraphs? What is the principles? Principle meaning the rules of organizing paragraphs in document. Okay. So when we talk about effective writing, we only think about grammar, word choice, and punctuations. But organizing paragraphs is also a very important thing. Okay, a paragraph, um, a well organized paragraph, an essay which has well organized paragraph achieves its communication very effectively than the essay which has powerful words, punctuations, and everything. So it is very important to organize your paragraphs correctly. And then in a paragraph we have three different kind of sentences. First one is topic sentence, and the next one is body sentence, and the last one is concluding sentence or a bridge sentence. In a topic sentence, okay, the topic sentence is nothing but a sentence that starts the which introduce the topic of the paragraph, which introduce the main idea of the paragraph. The body sentences, they'll be around 4 to 3 sentences. They would give enough facts about the topic sentence. They would give supporting points to the topic sentence. And the last one is a concluding sentence. The concluding sentence will conclude with in connection with the topic sentence and the facts which is given by the body sentence. Okay, next, yeah, as I told you in introduction, okay, first it has an introduction. Introduction in the sense we introduce the topic through topic sentence, okay, or any other sentences at the beginning of the paragraph that give background information is called topic sentence. Body follows the introduction and discusses the controlling idea using facts, arguments, analysis, and comparisons. Okay, the body sentences may be from 3 to 4, and then conclusion. In a paragraph we have all these three parts: introduction, body, and then conclusion. In the conclusion we summarizes the connection between the information discussed in the body and paragraph and the controlling idea, paragraph's controlling idea. Okay, so we have three kinds of sentences in a paragraph, single paragraph, that is topic sentence, body sentence, and then conclusion sentence. Okay, and there are four important main elements, okay, in a paragraph. That is, I told you, unification, coherence, and well organization. What is this unification? Every paragraph should be united, should have an unity. Every sentences should be united with one another. All of the sentences in a single paragraph should be relate to a single controlling idea. They cannot express different idea. If they express different idea, then it must be next paragraph. Okay, a paragraph, an effective paragraph can talk or discuss about only one main idea. And then coherence. The sentences should be arranged in a logical manner. What is coherence? The sentences should be arranged in a logical manner and should follow a definite plan for the development. Okay, and then well organized, well developed meaning A paragraph which has enough supporting points to talk about the topic sentence, okay, should have all the details to discuss about the topic sentence. If it is not provided sufficient, if a paragraph is not provided sufficient information, then it is called immature paragraph, that is not well developed. Okay, so when it comes to unity, let's uh, go and check out unity in detail. Unity refers to an extent, okay, which all of the main idea contained within a given paragraph. Okay, here I have given an example, okay, a big paragraph in order to show you how this unity works. And then uh, within a paragraph, okay, we have three kinds of sentences, that is topic and body sentence and conclusion sentence. They all three types of sentences should have unity in them. They all should talk about, though they are different sentences, they should talk about one main idea. Okay, take for example, I'll take you to the next one. Look at this example. Okay, look at this example. Employees' attitude at Jones Electronic Company should be improved. So this is called main topic sentence, because this topic sentence introduces us what we are going to discuss about in this sentence. Okay, we are going to discuss about employees' attitude. Okay, so the title can be employees' attitude at Johnstone's Electric Company. Okay, the workers do not feel that they are working team instead of just individuals. The people felt they were a part of a team. They should not be they would not misuse the tools or deliberately undermine the work of others. And actually, previously it was combined as a single sentence, but now I have divided it into two, because look at this. And also, the management's attitude towards its employees should be improved. Managers at Johnson Electric act as though their employees are incapable of managing decisions. Okay, it goes on. So, in the first sentence, we are talking about employees' attitude. In the next sentence, we are talking about management's attitude. So, they are two different sentences. They must be different, sorry, two different paragraphs. They must be divided into two different paragraphs. And look at this, the unification. In the first sentence, we are talking about employees' attitude. In the next sentence, okay, we are providing how do their employees feel when they work, okay, which is related to the first sentence. And then, why do they feel in that way? What is the solution to that? So we are talking about all these sentences, okay, they're all related to one another. We are talking only about employees' attitude, not about management's attitude. As we are talking about management's attitude, it goes to the next paragraph. So look at this paragraph, and we are talking about only manager's attitude in the following sentences in the next paragraph. So a single paragraph should have a unification. When we are talking about employee's attitude, we cannot suddenly talk about manager's attitude here. It should be divided into a separate paragraph. The next point is coherence. I'll show you an example. Schools should offer courses to help students with problems of unemployment. Such a course might begin with a discussion of where to find employment, and then it goes to another subject or topic. Algebra and history don't help students. Okay, so it is not coherent, because when a sentence is coherent, okay, it should follow with a, take for example, follow develop the idea which is introduced in the topic sentence one by one. We're talking about schools offer courses to help students, but all of a sudden we are going to employment, and then we are going to interview. Again, we are jumping into algebra and history. Okay, so it is not organized proper way. An organized sentence should talk about only the main topic. Okay, and then adequate development of the paragraph. Okay, when it comes to adequate development, look at the example. The topic of leadership and management are both similar to different. When it comes to adequate development, a sentence must be well developed. Look at the example given here. The topic of leadership and management are both similar and different from one another in several important ways. To be effective, a manager should be a good leader. A good leaders know how to manage people effectively. Okay, generally speaking, a paragraph should contain between 3 to 5 sentences or sentences. But here we are talking about the topic of leadership and management. We say they are similar and they are different in one or the other ways. So if they are similar, in what way they are similar, we'll have to give that, but there is no information about it. And then if they are different, in what way they differ. Okay, to be effective, a manager should be a good leader. Why should be a leader should be good at management? We haven't talked anything about it. So it is called a mature paragraph. A matured paragraph should have all the details stuffed in. Take for example, before going into the topic leadership, we should give what is leadership, or what is the similarity between um, leadership and management and difference. Okay, why it is important? We should have discussed everything in the paragraph, but we haven't done that, so it is an immature paragraph. So a topic sentence, when it comes to topic sentence, what is a topic sentence? A topic sentence is, as I told you, one of the best ways to achieve clarity and unity is one writing. So when we have introduced a main idea in the topic sentence, the rest of the sentences in a paragraph should talk about only the main topic in one or the other way, as I gave you an example in the previous slide, that the difference between the employee's attitude and the manager's attitude. So, if we are talking about the employee's attitude, the 7 sentences in the paragraph should talk only about the employee's attitude. Okay, they should contribute only to the employee's attitude, not they should talk about manager's attitude. If they talk about it, then it must be a next paragraph. Okay, so we have seen how to arrange the paragraph very clearly and how to arrange, okay, the inner arrangements of the paragraph, arrangement of the sentences. So, by using all these techniques, we can achieve definitely a wonderful essay. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.